G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing a quick case review on another case for the Nokia 6.2. This one is from a brand called Tougho, and it is a black case, Nokia 6.2, and look, Nokia didn't include one in the box, so you had to go out and buy some. This was 10 bucks on eBay, links down below. If there's links to Amazon, I'll put them there too, but for me, eBay is a million times cheaper, that's why I shop there. Amazon, for me, is more expensive than going in-store. Now this is a brand I've never heard of. It'd be a cheap Chinese brand, and you know, I don't really care, there's nothing wrong with that, as long as it works. Like I say, it's better than the case that Nokia put in the box. And here is one by a company called KST. Links down below for that. And here's the other one I reviewed. That is the Super Shield case. So check that out as well. But today we're looking at, this one is coming from a brand called Tougho. Speaker hole, USB-C hole, headphone jack. All right, so we've got a little bit of texture here at the top and bottom just to give it something different. A little bit of sort of a pattern on the inside there. I don't know if that's going to do much for it, maybe just a bit of grip. It doesn't feel too slippery. Doesn't look too bad actually. It's got some good texture on it. I like the texture. It's got your cutout for your fingerprint and camera, power button, volume up and down, and the Nokia 6.2 has a dedicated Google button. On the top you've got your microphone here and headphone jack here, and on the bottom you've got headphone jack, micro USB and speaker. And there we go. Now, pretty minimal protection here. And I've got to say that the headphone jack is a bit out of whack. You can see there. So that's a little bit dodgy. And that's why if you look through here, look, you can see the headphone jack hole there. That shouldn't be there. That's pretty cheap and nasty. Your cutout for your microphone is there, and your cutouts there are all in place as well, but that headphone jack cutout is nasty. And I'll just point out your camera cutout is not very raised. Have a look. So it's sort of flush with the screen, so it's not going to protect your camera, but it is going to protect most of the device from getting scratches on the back of it. It hasn't got much of a lip on the top, so if you put it down on a flat surface, you won't get scratches, but say if there was one bit of sand on the table, you could get a scratch. So Tougho have made a bit of a dud. I probably wouldn't recommend it. I'll still put links down below if you do like the look of it. But it's certainly leaving that camera a bit exposed. The headphone jack cutout is not aligned. I could have done better there. And the camera cutout leaves the camera exposed. But it looks okay, but it's definitely cheap, it's definitely flimsy. Would I recommend it? Probably not. But there's not a lot out there for Nokia cases. If you know of a good Nokia case, let me know in the comments down below. This one definitely could be better. It's not my favorite, that's for sure. Hope you appreciate my honesty. Tougho, your phone case is crap. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Catch ya!